Good afternoon, Honorable Chair, respected judges, fellow debaters, and distinguished audience. Here I will convey the argument with emotion. This House believes the influence of social media platform on society does more harm than good due to their power. But before I read our argument, I will first explain the definition of influence and social media platform. Influence is the power, ability, or capability of a person or object to indirectly change the attitudes, belief, behavior, or views of the other, and social media platform are website or internet-based digital application that allow user to create a profile, earn content, text, photo, and video, and interact in real life with a virtual network. Honorable Chair, respected judges, fellow debaters, and distinguished audience, we, the Protein, firmly state the influence of social media platform on society brings more harm than good. This is due to the immense power they hold. Social media platforms are no longer just simple communication tools. They are entities that control how we think, act, and interact with one another. This unchecked power has created deep and widespread negative impact on our social fabric. First, power in manipulating information and spreading falsehood. Social media platforms have the power to control the flow of information reaching society. The algorithms they use are designed to maximize engagement, not to deliver accurate or beneficial information. This has caused fake news, hate speech, and conspiracy theories to spread faster and more readily than factual information. Their power is also evident in their ability to shape public narrative. Without adequate oversight, this platform can intentionally or deliberately promote content that defies society, creates political polarization, and erodes trust in public institutions. For example, in various elections around the world, social media has been used to spread misinformation that influence voters' decisions. Social media platforms collect an enormous amount of personal data from their user ranging from shopping preference and group partners to location and social connection. This power over data is used for commercial purposes such as highly target advertising, but it also has the potential to control or manipulate the behavior of individuals and groups without user. Through awareness and content, this data can be shared or sold to third parties, leading to serious privacy violation. Furthermore, the power no thanks, monitor and analyze user activity can be used. Yes, please.
If social media is harmful, how do you explain its role in helping people stay connected across long distance?
Thank you. A study found 45% of educational content on social media contain errors. When their power is used to prioritize click over truth, even the education benefit.
Sorry. What I asked about connecting across long distance, not content.
While some creators success less than 1% earn a living wage from social media. Meanwhile, the platform uses their power to make up to 50% of creators' earnings.
Sorry, what I asked about was communication.
Thank you for the first speaker from the opposition team. So now let's move to the first speaker from the opposition team. You can take the position. Alright, so remember that you have only 5 minutes to deliver your arguments. And now time is yours.
Good afternoon, judges, honorable proposition team, and everyone present. Today I stand as the first speaker of the opposition team to oppose the motion. This House believes that social media platforms do more harm than good to the power. Before presenting our arguments, let me define the key terms in this motion. Social media platforms are digital applications such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, where people share information and communicate. Do more harm than good means the negative effects are greater than the positive ones. Do their power refers to the strong influence the platform have on people and society. Therefore, the motion claims that because social media is powerful, it causes more harm than benefit. Our team strongly disagree with this claim. In today's modern world, social media is a major part of daily life. Millions of people use it every day to connect, learn, and express themselves. While it is true that social media has some negative effect, it is important to look at the overall impact. Social media is a tool and like any tool, its impact depends on how people use it. Instead of focus only on the harms, we must consider the many benefits it brings to individual and society. In this debate, our team will focus on overall impact of social media on society, including both its positive. We acknowledge that social media has some risks. However, we will prove that the benefits are greater and more meaningful than the harm. We will focus on 1. Communication and connection, 2. Access to information and education, 3. Social awareness and opportunities. As the opposition team, we firmly believe that social media platforms do not more harm than good. Our perspective is that social media is a powerful tool that, when used properly, improves life, connects people, and creates opportunities. I will present the main reason why we oppose the motion. Social media makes communication easier, faster, and more accessible. People can stay connected with friends and family across long distance. This is especially important in today's global world, where people often live far from each other. Social media also allows people to build their friendship and communicate. For example, people with similar interests or struggle can find support groups online. This helps reach us loneliness and creates a sense of belonging. Therefore, social media plays an important role in strengthening knowledge human connection. Social media provides quick and easy access to information. Yes, please.
You mentioned social media helps spur positive movement, but do you know that the same algorithms used to promote those movements also amplify hate speech?
Sorry, can you make this simple question?
You mentioned social media helps spur positive movements, but do you know that the same algorithms used to promote those movements also amplify hate speech against activism?
Can you repeat the question?
You mentioned social media helps spur positive movement, but did you know that the same algorithms used to promote those movements also amplified hate speech against activism?
But you also have to know that social media helps people communicate and stay connected easily, even if they are way away from each other. It makes your information, ideas, and feeling faster and more convenient. 1. Easy communication. Social media allows people to send make calls or share updates quickly. 2. Staying connection with family and friends. People can keep in touch with loved ones who live in different kids or countries. That's all I think.
Time is up. Thank you so much for the first speaker from the opposition team. And now let's move to the second speaker from the proposition team. You can take the position. And remember that you have only 5 minutes. And in this session, you also have got the free debate in the third minute. So your time's
Alright, Honorable Chair, respect judges, clear debaters, and distinguished audience. I will reaffirm our evidence that by confirmed by my first speaker. First point, power in manipulating information and spreading falsehood. Social media platforms have the power to control the flow of information reaching society. The algorithms they use are designed to maximize engagement, not to deliver accurate or beneficial information. This has caused fake news, hate speech, and conspiracy theories to spread faster and more widely than factual information. Their power is also evident in their ability to shape public narratives. Without adequate oversight, this platform can unintentionally or deliberately promote content that defies society, creates political polarization, and erodes truth in public institutions. For example, in various elections around the world, social media has been used to spread misinformation that influence voters' decision. The second point, power of public privacy and data. Social media platforms collect enormous amounts of personal data from their users, ranging from shopping preference and thought patterns to location and social connection. This power of data is used for commercial purposes, such as highly targeted advertising, but it also has the potential to control or manipulate the behavior of individuals and groups. Without users, through awareness and consent, this data can be shared or sold to third parties, leading to serious privacy violations. Furthermore, the power to monitor and analyze user activity can be used to restrict freedom of speech or target specific group with content that influence their attitudes. The third point, power that damages mental health and social structure. The power of social media platforms to shape social standards and life expectations has led to an increase mental health
POI,
issues.
please.
No thanks, particularly among your people. Content showcasing perfect life and
POI, please.
no thanks, built-in standard cause feeling of inadequacy.
POI, please.
Yes, please.
Thank you. How can social media be more harmful when it helps small business grow and raise customers?
Yes, many social it's help small business, but the damage caused is far greater than and more widespread. The ease of communication is also used to spread hatred. The ease of accessing information is used to spread lies. The power is so great that humans are unable to control it wisely. It is precisely because of this power that it becomes very dangerous if misused. I will continue my argument. But it also has the potential to control or manipulate individuals and groups.
POI, please.
Yes.
Is social media important for raising awareness about social issues and global problems?
Can you repeat?
Is social media important for raising awareness about social issues and global problems?
Masalah umum. Pertanyaan ketiga itu Rosan. Itu pertanyaan ketiga di bukunya itu.
Of course no, because the evidence, according to Injuries.com, even though the Personal Data Protection Law number 27 of 2022 has been passed in Indonesia, the challenge of law enforcement.
But social media has spread awareness quickly. It supports movement and encouraging people to take action to information issue. And social media helps people get information and learn
more than benefit
But
because
social media helps people get information and learn new things easily. It gives quick access to knowledge and support learning in many ways.
although it can spread in more fast, alright, but the how it can be spread is quickly.
Time's up. Thank you so much for the second speaker from the opposition team. Now let's give the chance for the second speaker from the opposition team. So you can take the position. Remember also that you have only 5 minutes to deliver your arguments, and in the session you have free debate. The time begins now.
Good morning, good afternoon, judges, honorable proposition team, and everyone present. I stand as the second speaker of the opposition team to continue opposing the motion. This House believes that social media platforms do more harm than good due to their power. First, I would like to review our team's definition. We agree that social media platforms are digital tools such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok used for communication and sharing information. We also agree that more harm than good refers to whether negative effects are greater than positive ones. However, we strongly maintain that when used properly, the overall impact of social media is still more beneficial than harmful. Therefore, we reject the idea that its power automatically leads to greater harm. My first speaker has already explained two important points. One, social media improves communication and connection. Two, social media increases access to information and education. I will further strengthen this point. First, social media is one of the most effective tools for global communication. Families separated by distance can stay connected easily. In emergencies or crises, social media also helps people share information quickly and receive support. Second, in education, social media has become a powerful learning tool. Many students and professionals use it to access free tutorials, online classes, and educational content. This shows that social media is not just entertainment but also a platform for learning and development. These benefits are real, widespread, and directly improves people's lives. They are good that social media harm mental health, spread misinformation, and violates privacy. However, we believe these issues are not caused by social media motives, but by misuse of their
Be
power.
quiet, please.
Yes, please.
You were said about all the benefit of social media, right?
But according to Pew Research Center, has reported
You will say
social media.
you will say all about benefit of social media, but how about the social media facilitates cyberbullying, such as spreading facilities rumors and physical threats, which can have a detrimental impact on.
But we strongly disagree that cyberbullying occurs on social media. Social media is not the main cause of cyberbullying. According to Customers Notice Research,
No, but-
around
but the fact-
80% of teenagers experience cyberbullying every year.
But the
They may
fact,
from
but the fact,
house bullying
social
are
media
lack
has.
of empathy, the desires of power than cyberbullying every day. I will continue my argument.
No.
I will
I will-
continue my argument.
Alright.
I will-
Sorry, it's my time.
So you can give the chance, okay?
Mental health problems, for example,
Yeah,
are
please.
useless. Yes, please.
But according to data from the Ministry of Health in 2025, it was reported that 3.4 billion teenagers in Indonesia experience mild to severe mental health
But
disorders.
social media helps people get information and learn new things easily. It gives quick access to knowledge and support learning in many ways. One is
But
access to
but
information.
cyberbullying-
Social media allows users to find information quickly anytime and anywhere.
Yeah, please.
Two, yes, please.
But the fact cyberbullying with the 65% of high school students feeling not good enough due to comparing.
But many experts also support the cause and effect of social media when
people
used
get around.
responsibly. For example, Pew Research Center has reported that social media helps
Do you
increase
have-
access to information and strengthen social
Do you have
media.
this? Do you have an evidence about the benefit is more than harm about the cyberbullying?
Jadi tidak
We strongly disagree that cyberbullying
Alright, so thank you so much for the second speaker from the opposition team. And now we move to the last speaker from the proposition team. You can take the position. Also remember that you have only 3 minutes to deliver your arguments and to conclude the arguments. Time is yours.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chair, respected judges, fellow debaters, and distinguished audience. The power held by social media platform has brought more harm than good to society, from manipulating information and violating privacy to dynamic mental health and social structure. This negative impact cannot be ignored. We cannot allow this immense and lasting power to cannot dynamic our life and society future. Therefore, we call on all parties to act that the influence of social media platform on society is indeed more harmful than benefits due to the power that pays. Thank you.
You still have a lot of time.
No thanks.
Okay, then let's give. Okay, next we move to the third speaker of opposition team. So you have 3 minutes to deliver your argument and also the conclusion.
Good afternoon, judges, honorable proposition team, and everyone present. I stand as the third speaker of the opposition team to conclude our case on the motion. This House believes that social media platform do more harm than good due to their power. Throughout this debate, our team has clearly shown that social media platform, despite their power, bring more benefits than harm. First, our first speaker explained that social media improve communication and strengthen human connection. People can stay in touch with family and friends across long distances and build communities that reduce loneliness and isolation. Second, our second speaker strengthened this by showing that social media also provide access to education, information, and economic opportunities. It helps students learn, support business, and allows individuals to develop new skills and career. Together, these points prove that social media has real and meaningful benefits for individuals and society. The proposition team focused mainly on problems such as mental health issues, misinformation, and privacy rights. However, we have shown that these issues are not caused solely by social media. They are mainly caused by misuse and lack of digital awareness. More importantly, these challenges can be reduced through education, better education, and responsible use. This means they are manageable problems, not reason to say that social media does more harm than good. When we compare both sides, the opposition clearly wins. The proposition has some problems, but we have some solutions and benefits. Their harm often predictable and manageable, while the benefits of social media are weighed daily and long-lasting. Social media connects billions of people, support education, and creates opportunities that did not exist before. In conclusion, we strongly believe that social media platforms, even with their power, do not do more harm than good. There are tools that, when used properly, improve communication, education, and opportunities for society. Therefore, we firmly oppose the motion and stand by our case. That's all, and thank you.
Do you still have time? Yeah. So thank you so much for the talk from the opposition team. So that means let's give them a round of applause to those two teams. Thank you so much. Alright, for the team you can shake hands and leave the stage. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we come to the next debaters, I'm gonna go to some specific thing about the motion. So, because I thought that there's some misunderstanding about the motion. So,